If you're seeking clear instructions on how to apply the CryoDynamics ARC pads, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring the process is straightforward and stress-free. Hi, I'm Daniel from My Cold Therapy and Supply Cold Therapy. Our mission is to support your recovery and help you get back to your daily life as smoothly as possible. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tips and guidance. You can find links to the products we discuss in the description box below. We often hear from patients who are unsure about the correct way to apply the pads, so we're here to help. Michelle, could you please demonstrate the proper technique for using the CryoDynamic ARC pads?
First, it's important to confirm that you received the correct pad. You can do this by checking the white label on the corner of the packaging where the name of the pad type is displayed. Next, you will receive a skin safety flyer. It's important to avoid placing the pad directly on your skin, as this can lead to damage of the skin or frostbite. And also keep in mind that the standard guideline for cold therapy is 20 minutes on followed by 20 minutes off. Additionally, you should always consult your doctor before using any cold therapy system for any specific instructions related to the use of the cold therapy device. Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to apply the shoulder pad for the CryoDynamics ARC system. So these shoulder pads are reversible, meaning you can use it on either side. So all you have to do is open it up and remove the pad. You're going to slide this tube out, flip it over, and reattach it. You'll notice that there are Velcro pieces that it sticks to. Stick it back in place. Once you've done that, take your hose, slide it back through the bottom of the pad, and then you're going to notice some discoloration, and if you do, that's okay. It's totally normal, and the pad is still sterile. Now, before you put it on the shoulder, make sure that you have some type of barrier in place. As you can see, Daniel has a t-shirt, so this is going to act as his barrier. Go ahead, take the pad, place it on the shoulder, take the long strap, bring it around, attach it to the front. Then we're going to take the smaller strap, bring it around, and attach it right here. Once you've done that, you're ready to connect your hoses. Now, before you connect the hoses, make sure you press down on these metal tabs on each hose. Once you've done that, go ahead, click them. And when you hear that little click sound, that means that they're securely fastened. Now, when you connect and disconnect these, there might be a little bit of leakage. So as you can see, we have a towel in place right here, so it might be a good idea to have something underneath whenever you're disconnecting. Once you've done this, you're ready to plug in your power supply. It's located right next to the hose that comes out of the system. Plug in your power supply, and then you see this light up on top. That's the button that you're going to push to begin your therapy.
Now that you've become comfortable with your CryoDynamics ARC unit, we encourage you to reach out with any questions or share your experiences. Your feedback is invaluable to us. If you found this information beneficial, please consider giving us a like and subscribing for future updates. Thank you for your attention, and let's get back to living.